How to delete your business portfolio account on Facebook. You're in the right place. I'll walk you through it step by step. All right, let's get started. First, open your Facebook account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu. Scroll down a little and click See More. From there, look for Ads Manager. Now, you can reach this page through Ads Manager or the Meta Business Suite. The layout might look a bit different, but don't stress. The steps are exactly the same. Once you're in, head over to the top left corner of your screen where your profile picture or business name appears. Click the little drop-down arrow right beside it. You'll see a section called Business Portfolios. Click on that, and from the list that appears, pick the business portfolio you want to remove. On the right side of the screen, there's a settings gear icon. Click on it. Now, at the top left, we'll see Business Portfolio Info. Select it, and on the right-hand side, look for Permanently Delete Business. Click it, and Facebook will show you a quick confirmation message with some details. Once you're ready, just hit Delete Portfolio. And that's it. Your Facebook business portfolio will be permanently deleted. Simple, clean, and done in just a few clicks. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.